Hello everyone, I hope all of you are fine and taking care of yourselves. In this video, we are going to discuss Chapter 6 The 100 Dresses Part 2. In Part 1, we have already discussed that how Maddie and Peggy used to tease Wanda for having a unfamiliar name as well as wearing a same blue faded dress. In this chapter, we are going to learn that how Wanda has decided to leave the place she used to live in and why she had not been coming to school. Let's have the introduction of this chapter. In continuation of the previous lesson, the 100 Dresses Part 2 reveals why Wanda Petronsky had not been coming to the school. The Petronsky family decided to move to a big city where no one would care about their unfamiliar name. On hearing the note, Maddie and Peggy got anxious as they realized that they would never get a chance for making amends for all the teasing they had done. Both the girls get relieved on only on learning what Wanda liked them and had dedicated one of the 100 dresses that were actually the drawings to each one of them. Means they got very relieved, they got very relaxed when they got to know that Wanda actually liked them. She did not dislike them and she did not hate them. Let's move further. The lesson begins with all the students of room number 13 having a look at the wonderful drawings of Wanda Petronsky. Only then a note is received by Miss Mason from Wanda's father informing that none of his two children will attend the school as they are moving to a big city. There were where no one would judge them for their names. Miss Mason was left shocked and conveyed her disappointment to the class. Maddie was affected by this letter of Wanda's father. She instantly developed an urge to apologize to Wanda. Peggy and Maddie, the two best friends, rushed to Bogan Heights, hoping that the family hadn't moved yet. But to their dismay, there was no sign of life in and around the house. Means that time they realized that how wrong they were, and they felt really very guilty for their mistakes they have done. They wanted to apologize, but no one was there at the house. Maddie lost her sleep thinking that what a coward she is, who couldn't stand against the wrong. That day she decided that she will never let anyone tease someone like that again. That weekend, Peggy and Maddie decided to write a letter to Wanda that was originally meant to be apologetic. But they ended up writing a friendly note asking her how did she like the new place. Means internally they wanted to apologize, but they were not able to express the real feelings of them. Weeks passed by and there was no reply until one day near Christmas, Miss Mason announces that she heard from Wanda. In that letter, Wanda wrote she misses everyone and conveyed her intention of gifting one dress each to Maddie and Peggy because she has a whole new lot of 100 dresses lined up in her new house. Means she has already made another lot of 100 dresses in her new house. Both of them were happy to receive it and later realized that it was their faces she had drawn along with the dresses. Thus, they both concluded that Wanda did like them. Means they haven't met Wanda physically, face to face, but by the actions what Wanda has done, by the emotions she has sent in that letter, they got to know that Wanda has forgiven them and Wanda is not disliking them. Wanda is actually like them. Right? So I hope the explanation of the chapter has been clear to you and you have understood the overall concept of the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.